good morning everyone. We are going to talk about the brief about the Netflix. So Netflix is a key partner of the content owners, internet service providers and Amazon Web Series. So they provide the web series and the films in the non-theatrical properties. So they develop it using influencers, IP holders and regular investors. So the Netflix is the key activities of the technical development, content license and application. So content creating, marketing and analysis. So they promoting so many series in their social medias. Then their key resources are the brand and the apps, content, algorithm, data, staffs and actors, filmmakers, prices. So they are the basic promoters like the actors and the brand and websites. So they are promoting like that. So next,
the value question of Netflix is content basically and no ads, no demand, and ability to influence the content they want, and the localized and the personalized freedom and the free notices. And the customer relationship self-service app and the user support and the social media and the content creators and the recommended system. And channels are desktop, data and mobile and app store, and the support the channel, and they have a social media network and platform and the media output and the free visitors. The customer segment is equal to 9% and 2% is customer and user segment, and they cost the user parameter, the technology and the view and map and segment and ads like targeted and non-user geo dynamics and other user content.
And now here we are going to see about the cost sector. The cost sectors are marketing, technology, channel and acquisition. Cost, there are elements of some payment processing fees, customer service and streaming delivery cost. And the revenues are subscription fees, the plans for 3 months, 6 months and 1 year validity, which is the pay, and user streaming, other minor revenues are